guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what look I want to do today. I really just kind of want to play around with a bunch of different makeup, so hopefully I end up using just one palette, but you guys know how that is. So yeah, I actually think I might use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I've only used this a couple of times, including when I did my review video, and I don't know, I feel like I should just give it a little bit more love because I haven't messed with it a whole lot. So I think this might be what I use today. So subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm first going to use the Bliss Please Don't Go Eyeshadow Primer Stick. I've been testing this out for the past couple weeks, and I like it so far. It's not my personal favorite, but it gets the job done. I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to use the shade Rollin' in Dough, which is this matte cream shade right here. And I'm going to use that to set my eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to take the shade So Bougie, which is this matte brown, light brown shade right there. And I'm going to put this throughout my crease, a little bit above the crease, kind of as my transition color. I don't know what happened there. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Truffle, which is the darker matte brown in here. I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Concealer. This one's in the shade 10 Fair. And use this to cut my crease. Hopefully I don't get too out of frame doing this. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Drippin' Diamonds, this one right here. I wanted to use chocolate gold, but I feel like that's so, like, expected. I'm going to take the Cocoa Truffle shade again. Alright, I'm trying out this new foundation. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to moisturize first using the Lubriderm Daily Moisturizer. I absolutely love this. I use this as a primer all the time. I'm going to apply the Mally Perfect Prep Neutralizing Primer just on my cheeks to neutralize some of that redness. I'm going to try out the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. This, I have a love-hate relationship with. Alright, the foundation I've been trying out is the Pure Bare It All 12-hour 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Foundation. This one's in the shade Porcelain. This foundation is thick. I might have to buy an oil, like a facial oil, to mix in with it because it is super thick. Take more of that Maybelline concealer because it is just sitting on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to use my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade 070 41. We're going to very quickly do our brows using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Neutral Brown. I literally have that much left, so hopefully I can do this. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche and contour. For bronzer, I'm going to dip into my Too Faced The Little Black Book of Bronzers, and I'm going to take the shade Beach Bunny, which is this one right here. I'm going to use the Bliss Illuminating Gradient Blush in Bellini Sunset, but I'm only going to use the light pink shade. I don't want a super intense blush, even though that's still pretty intense. Favorite highlighter, you guys already know, the Milani Strobe Light in the shade Afterglow. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Now I'm going to take the shade Cocoa Truffle again. Put that underneath my lashes. My hair is like stabbing me in the eye. I'm going to take the shade Decadent, which is the matte black that is in here, and I'm going to put that right up against my lower lashes. And then I'm going to take the shade Rollin' in Dough again and highlight my brow bone. I'm going to take the Clinique High Impact Mascara and apply it to my upper and lower lashes. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing this mascara, but it's just my current obsession. I'm going to use the Bliss Where's the Smoke Longwear Eyeliner in the shade After Midnight. I'm not going to use a black. I thought about using a black, but I want to use this one because I haven't used it yet, if I can get it out of the package. And I really like these. I just haven't used this particular color yet. So I'm going to line my waterline with this and I'll be right back. I need to like get really up in my mirror in order for me to do this without stabbing myself in the eye. I'm going to take the Lick Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Love Affair and line my lips. Now I'm going to take the Lick matte lip paint in the shade Saddle. Alright you guys, and this is the completed look. I love the way this turned out. I really do. I think it makes my eyes look really big. But that is it for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video.